Hey YouTube, my name's Asa Sayles. This is an original song that I wrote called Train. Walking endlessly, my heart needs to sleep. So much time spent in the dark can't be good for someone's heart. And I can see my train coming down. And I can see my train coming around the bend. And I can see my train coming down. I can see my train. Miles and miles of highway stretched out over the plain. 2 more days till I see your face, and it's driving me insane. And I can see my train coming down. I can see my train coming around the bend. I can see my train coming down. I can see my train. One more cigarette. Today's the day I quit. 2 more days till I see your face. We'll be dancing in the rain. I can see my train coming down. I can see my train coming around the bend. I can see my train coming down. I can see my train. Thank you.